Hello everyone. Today is 17 September. Myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from JH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management. So our today's discussion topic is the looping statements or iterative statements. Basically, looping statements are used to do the task multiple times, do one task multiple times. So these are the looping statements. Basically there are four looping statements which are used in the Java. First is that for loop, second one is while loop, third one is do while loop, and fourth one is for each loop. So first is for loop. The for loop which is used to continue one task repeatedly. It executes one block repeatedly as per given condition. So the syntax of the for loop is for in bracket. First we will initialize. It means that suppose we have to an example. Suppose we want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So initialization, it means that the starting point of the example. So the starting point of the table is 1 to 10. So 1 is the starting point, so we will initialize 1. Firstly, suppose I equal to 0 1, so starting point our is 1. So initialize the for loop. So initialization is the basic first step in the for loop. After that the semicolon is used. After second is that in the middle we will use the condition. It means that where to go. It means we have to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have to print 1 to 10. So our ending point is the condition. So condition, it may be up to or less. It means that 1 to 10 or 10 to 1. So we will apply the condition within it. So we have to print uh, up to 10. So we will take the value, there is 10, and after last we will have to increment or decrement the loop. Increment or decrement, it means that we have to print 1 to 10, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It means that we will incrementing the value. Suppose initial value is 1, and we have to increment up to 10. So 1 2 3, it continuously incrementing. And the second one is increment or decrement. It means that decrement is that suppose we have to print the values decrementing the values 10 to 1, 10 9 8 7, as like that. So this is the full syntax of the for loop. And within the block, so this is the syntax of the for loop. After that the brackets, within the bracket, it means the block. We will have to put some for the printing. We will give the condition, initialization, and the increment or decrement, and the final is block. So in the for loop, the starting to end points are first initialization, second one is checking the condition whether it is true or the false. Whether it is true, then the going to the block. In the block the value is incrementing or decrementing. After that it will print on the console. So it is the procedure of the for loop. When we generally use the for loop when we know about the fixed iterations. It means that we have to increment value up to 100 times, up to 200, up to 300. So when we know about the incrementing values up to, it means that ending point. When we know the number of iterations, then we use for loop. And when we don't know about the iterations, then we use while loop. So basically our today's topic is for loop, and it is completed. Thank you so much.